I'm flipping through a chapter in my life right now wherein I understand that there are special things and important people that I have to let go for me to grow and move forward. I still don't know where I'm going, but I do know that I am where I'm supposed to be. It's weird, but I just know. It's been months since I've been trying to finish this video, and for some reason, I can't find the energy and inspiration with all the changes happening around. But now I feel like I'm ready, and I'd like to look at these beautiful memories as a reminder of who I was, how far I've come, and all the fun along the way. So yeah, these are my unposted 2023 memories. It's a bit messy, but this is our room. Hi! I have a summit event today. Actually, mag-work lang pala na ako dito. I plan to work in peace.
We will delve into critical topics, including denials and overcoming them. He offers a quick look at how to
I just ate lunch. Si Kuya naman daw, special assistant. Thank you. The roast gin, I got that. Margarita pizza, mozzarella, buffalo. Ay, video naman. Oh, that's the support. Thank you. Sarap. Ano naman? May tama siya sa inyo. Good morning. I'm getting ready for breakfast. Hinatak ko si Don sa mga adventure ko for today. Nagtatrabaho siya tapos ginulo ko siya. Sabi ko, tara, beach.
Pabor.
We can't help it.
Ganyan mag-unbox ng
Hindi ko nga talaga yung set. Kutsilyo ko eh.
Gamitin mo yung mga yon, yung mga collection mo.
Meron ako yung Kiritsuke eh. Ganda ng isang kutsilyo.
Samurai.
This is called Techtober. Looks like my watch. You see? Oh la la. I like it a lot.
Depart lang.
I'm with the girls.
The girls? Ay, hello.
Wait lang, parang hindi ka kita.
Hindi naman yung country.
We're watching Hamilton. Hopefully we're not late. This is yung... Tingnan mo na sa coffee. Free stickers. Pakita ko din si Sawyer. Uy, si Sawyer. Si Sawyer. Ewan ko sa'yo, lalagyan mo sa tumbler mo yun. Sa ako plus kung basag na. Gusto ko rin na video. Lagyan natin yung sa'yo ng star. Harlan. Asa na yung star? Ayan. Sino na ba mo sa konti? Lalagyan ko sa pimple. Pimple patch.